Hello guys and welcome back to Technical Rocker. So guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a touch light like this. Yeah, I'm not giving you this view that I always give because it's like something which should be given like a view like this. But I think you don't mind about that. Oh, the camera is doing something. I don't know what it's doing. I'll stop it. I have the total control of this camera. So wait a second, let me get the stand fully working. The stand is having a light as well. As you can see, if I just want to just make it rain of light over here, so I can make it fully light circuit as well, but I won't do that. So as you can see, it's glowing. When I touch this, it stops. It's like a touch light. Just touch here and then touch over here, touch over here. Let me give you a little bit more good view. Touch like this and touch like this. Touch. So you can make it really easily. As you can see, there's nothing much in the circuit. This is like a simple working kit project. So let's get started, and not much talking in this video. I'm gonna try to talk as less as I can to make this video shorter for you and to make to have some fun. Let me get all the stuff off. Why did I do that? Oh, dude. Okay, so here are the material required. So let's get started. Now in this time you will need a 5555 timer IC, which is over here. As you can see, it's 555 timer IC. So play, as you can see, if I'm having something, as you can see, the notch is on the left hand side, so let it be like that, and place it on the circle. Let it focus a bit, and so place it anywhere on the circuit. I'm going to place it over here so that it can be simple. Here you go. So guys, please give me a like and please comment down below or subscribe to my channel, because you know it really takes some time to make this circuit really simple and easy looking. Otherwise, when I just search on Google or YouTube, I found the projects really difficult, and I just try to make it simple as I can. So now just connect the first pin of this IC to the negative part. So let this above part be the negative, or let me do this. I'm savage. So let it be like that. That was not good. Then being savage is not good. Being savage is not good. I'm not going to be savage anymore. Okay, that's cool, right? Okay, yeah, that's nice. Place this first pin of the IC to the negative rail. I'm just calling this negative and this one the positive. Now have one more connecting wire and connect the, I just made my budget really higher and I just bought some connecting wire. As you can see, these are not normal wires, these are the connecting wires. I think so, because when I got to the shop and he said it's connecting wire, so I just bought them. Yeah, you're right, I bought them. So just connect the 8th pin of the IC to the positive rail over here. Now connect one of the touch plate, or you can say the touch pin, to the uh, 8th pin of the IC, and the second one to the 6th pin of the IC, just like this. And the off part would be like connected to the first part of the IC and connected to the second part of the IC, just like this. Now take the LED. I'm taking the red one because it doesn't glows that much and it will not irritate you guys and not make anything not visual, like make anything not get visual. Yeah, whatever. So it will not be that bright so that you can't see anything. Now just put the negative over here, and as I said, the positive rail is this, so positive over here, and try to test your project. Okay, if your this thing is perfectly aligned, then only. Otherwise you will end up like getting embarrassed just like me. Eh. Okay, I should be buying some good connecting wires for my battery. Ah, see, I'm gonna connect it directly to here and directly to over here, and then it should work. Sorry guys, it's like some technical difficulty. Technically sorry, I am really sorry for that. I'll just make sure that it doesn't happen every time that you will see a video. I'm gonna make it straight. And why this only happens with me? Last time it was connecting wires which were not really helping me. Okay, I just was going to place it wrong way. And now this cap, battery cap, which is not letting me do this. Let me try now. Okay, it's working and it's working. So this is how simple it is. You can see I just spent only 4 minutes and I made it even after talking a lot. And you can see it's working. It's working pretty much well. So here's the circuit. Oh, sorry. Let me make everything aside. So here's the circuit, and that's the connecting wire which just got out, which is not what I meant to do. But still, guys, it works, and it's only my problem of the connecting wire. I think it's not with you guys, and because connecting wire and me, not a good relation. See, as you can see, even after just plugging it in. Oh, okay, here you go. He just made me not get embarrassed one again and again. So guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like more video, and don't forget to comment below. Just hit that, hit that. I am right. Hit that like button and subscribe. Yeah, just like that until the subscribe button is red. Not red. Until the subscribe button is like this, not red. So bye bye. Keep watching Technical Rocker.